Who's former? And Asif, over to you.
Thank you. My name is Asif, and my project is about Rescue 1-5 mission game. Actually, I've been a fan of playing games since my childhood, and plus with that, I've been a fan of aircrafts and helicopters and a lot of stuff. So for my project, I thought, let's bring those things together. Since I've been playing games since my childhood, I saw a lot of games. Most of the games are about just winning the games, go to the next level, just killing, destroying, and then go to the next level, and then at the end succeed. But for my project, I wanted to give a different angle to the games. And this is to give some responsibility to the player. So in which a player not only saving himself, but other people as well. The rescue mission is about to rescue mission to save scientists from aliens imprisonment and destroy all the aliens. So in this, the player will not be only saving himself, but also the scientists. These are the aims of my project: to develop and design a computer video game which can provide fun and entertainment and also improve hand-eye coordination. These are my objective: to investigate the games, the current games, and different tools, what tools industries are using, analyze different games, how are their architecture and everything, design appropriate rescue mission game, implement design in a proper working game structure, and test development rescue mission game, and then evaluate development. Okay, won't take more time. I will just show you the demo how I have made this game. This is the loading screen. It's designed by Asif. So the game is loading. I've just screen recorded I've played the game myself, and I've just screen recorded. So because I had to squeeze the video, I can't play all the game because it will take too long. So I've played the game and recorded the screen. Oops. I can't see the monitor. I want the video to run.
Try to press have maybe explain on another window.
This is the video I want this to change. Okay, here it is. Screen is game is loading, and this is the menu. Start game. The brief description of the game. Is the helicopter. These are alien aircraft. These are my ammunition. How much I have left. This is the health points I have left. I have to destroy these alien helicopters. When I destroy, they leave the ammunition behind them. So I have to take them. It will increase my ammunition. This is a really damaged one. It is actually destroying my enemy jets in the airport. When I destroy one enemy jet, it will decrease my health point by 5 points. And that is why I have to destroy them quickly, and also the other ones as well. And I can't move forward until I don't destroy all of them. When I destroy them, I have to take the ammunition, and it will also increase my health point as well. And this is the last one. I have to destroy them and then go to the next stage. This is the next stage in which I'm facing some dangerous tanks. If I got one hit from the bullet, it will decrease my health point by 2. So I have to get rid of them as quick as I can. So this is, I've just squeezed the video. I've just taken a few clips and even selections which I can show you everything. The video quality of ZD's screen recorder is not really good, but actually game video is good. This is the important stage. Scientist is behind the prisoners. Guard is hitting me. I have to hit him back. And when I destroy him, scientist is coming out of the prison, and he has to come to the hatch pad and ask me to take me. I have to land in the hatch pad and take him with myself. Here I'm sitting as well in the helicopter, moving here and there as well. And then I took scientist. Now he's behind me, sitting behind me. I have to take him with myself and go to the next stage. And now I'm not only concerned about my helicopter, but I'm concerned about the scientist as well, because I have to take care of him, and I have to, if he's dead, then the game will be unsuccessful. are not targeting me but the scientists. So I have to turn my helicopter, and in this way they can't see them, and I have to shoot them back. Here it is. I'm quite well, but it took me a long time to get so expert in playing that. Also, I have doing it, so here I have. When I destroyed them all, then here, and the mission is successful. Congratulations. It's me, actually game developer and not a pilot. Okay. This was the proposed game chart, but I was thinking that how it will be done, objectives and stuff, but this is my actual game chart, in which implementation and testing development actually took me a long time. I've done all the things, now I'm in documentation, it's almost done. Okay, the game maker tool, how I developed this game. The tool which I used for developing this game was the Game Maker Professional 8.0. It is actually mostly on component-based programming, and plus Game Maker interpreted language can be used in that as well. So it's a combination of both. This is how different, this is a component, and different components, different functions are there. So you can bring them in and design our own games. This software supports DLL, which we can design in Pascal and C language. We can implement our own extension. We can make that MySQL for multiplayer games. We can use different things. 3D graphic support as well. Okay, problem faced I during making this game. Actually, there were quite a lot of problems. I'll just go through the main ones. Slow performance of the game because of quick graphics. It's actually, in the background there was C and different things, but for the C GIF graphics I have to bring so many pictures, compress them and make it with one picture. But those were of really high resolution, so it actually slowed down my game. So I had to get rid of some of the pictures. The slow performance of the game because of operation generations means there are so many bullets going on, so the processor has to generate so many bullets, and that decreases the game efficiency. For that reason, I had to solve them, and when they, like how I solve them, when the bullet goes out of the screen, it should be destroyed. So only the bullets which are on the screen, there they stays, and the rest destroyed, so the game operation is minimized. Then resulting error because of object interaction with each other. Means some objects which I designed, like a helicopter. I have designed it for certain situations to go left, here, there. If this thing happens, what are you going to do? If this event happens, what will be the action? But most of the time, the event changes in the game. And the helicopter should be quite smart enough to understand what's the event and what should I do in that case. Let's suppose I have designed the helicopter when few many bullets hits them, 5 bullets hits them. The bullet is actually programmed to move towards the helicopter. But let's say helicopter designed and few bullets are left. So the bullet has to be destroyed in order to not stop the game. Drawing object information on the object, like the ammunition, how much I have left, how much health I have left. Setting and resetting variable counts for the objects, mathematics, adding additional advanced feature to the object, like how the scientist is going to sit behind the pilot. It was me, and these features were not actually supported by the Game Maker tool. So for this reason, I had to go out, do more research, and find how can I do that? How can I get that thing working?